Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to create a professional website using this one, the WordPress. So by the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional website where visitors can watch your videos, learn about your channel, and connect with you. So let's get started. So of course guys, the first thing you need to have here is a hosting provider to power your WordPress website. So some great options are Bluehost, SiteGround, and the Hostinger. So here guys, what's the first thing we need to do here is we need to pick a plan that fits your needs. So as you can see here, I am using this one. So for this tutorial, since they offer an easy one-click WordPress installation. So pick a plan guys that fits your needs. So if you're just starting, the basic plan is enough. So once you've selected a plan, register a domain name like represents your YouTube channel. So here, I'm gonna log into my account and going back here, as you can see this, you just need to add new site here. So here guys, we can choose here our domain. You can search for your domain here. So here guys, you can find and claim one or more domain names. So here I'm gonna use this my channel name, so ping. So right after that one, so you can see here, you just need to tap on this filter. So guys, if you're not ready to choose a domain just yet, you can select any annual paid plan and they will pay the first year's domain registration fees for you. So you can also claim your custom domain name later when you are ready there. So here, so in this tutorial guys, we are going to choose a free that for example that one is this one. So this is just free. Or you can, depending on you guys, if you want to have a free for the first year with annual paid plans or just a free domain. So I'm gonna select on that one. And right after that one guys, you'll be able to continue that one. And here you can choose your flavor of WordPress. You can choose different kinds of plan here, but right now I'm gonna use a free plan because this is just a tutorial. But depending on you guys, what will you choose here? So guys, in the next part guys, they will ask you what would you like to do on your website. You can pick one or more goals. So for example, that one is upload videos. You can publish a blog on your website. So here guys, you can choose one or more guys. So depending on you, and then they will tailor the setup experience for you guys. So here guys, you'll be directed to this page where you will be picking a theme. Here, let's give your website a great look in your WordPress dashboard. You can go to the appearance, then themes, then click add new and search for a theme that's great for your video creators. So some great free themes guys are Astra and the Neve. So here you can choose a site name. For example, that one is the name of your channel. You can put it here, and you can also add a tagline guys, but this is just optional. So continue, and you will be directed to this one. Once you find a theme you like, you'll be able to see here. And as you can see here, you can give your site a name, select a design, and then choose a plan. And right after that one, you can launch your site here. So going back there, you're going to use this one. So as you can see here, ping is now on this one, and then what you need to do here is edit site design. So here guys, right after that one guys, you'll be directed to the other page, which is this one. So this is the editors. Here guys, in the home page, let's customize your home page. You can go to pages and find home, click edit to start customizing. And if you want more flexibility guys, you can install a page builder like Elementor. It makes designing super easy here. So you can add a video section where visitors can see your latest uploads. Simply add a video block and paste your YouTube video link or embed a YouTube gallery plugin. So as you can see here, I'm gonna copy the link of this one and then paste it into WordPress. So once here, I'm gonna paste it here. So once the visitor will tap that YouTube icon, they will be directed to my YouTube channel. So you can also edit the header, guys. You can click customize in the appearance menu and go to header. Here you can upload your channel logo, change the site title, and adjust the navigation menu. Make sure, guys, your menu includes essential pages like home, videos, about me, and a contact. So you can also add social media icons like linking to your YouTube channel and other platforms here. So as you can see here, now you can also add your about me page where visitors can learn about your channel. You can see here, for example, to that one is write a short introduction about yourself and your content. Of course, guys, to make it more engaging, upload a high quality image of yourself or a banner that represents your channel's branding. And if you want brands or fans to reach out to you, a contact form is a must, guys, wherein you will going to install the free WP Forms plugins from the plugin sections, and once activated, you can create a simple forms with fields for name, email, and a message. After customizing the form, guys, you can copy and paste the short code onto your contact page. Now the visitors can easily get in touch here. So most visitors, guys, will browse your site on their phone, so let's make sure it looks great on the mobile phone. So here, guys, WordPress plugins add extra functionality to your site. Here are some essential ones for YouTubers, which is the YouTube Feed Pro, which is they can display your latest video automatically, guys. And now that your website is ready, guys, let's make it live. You can click on the publish in the WordPress customizer. If you're using a free WordPress plan, your site URL will have wordpress.com here. So to use a custom domain, upgrade your hosting plan and connect your domain. And let's try to view it, guys. Now that your site is live, start promoting it and add your website link to your YouTube channels. And that's it, guys. You've successfully created a website for your YouTube channel using the WordPress. This will help you organize your content with your audience and even open up new monetization opportunities. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!